Welcome to G Knowledge Box YouTube channel. Here I am presenting General Knowledge MCQ on human pregnancy. The fetal heart rate in a normal pregnancy ranges between answer is 120 to 160 bpm. What is the first organ to form in a developing fetus? Correct answer is heart. What is the average duration of a full-term human pregnancy? Correct answer is 40 weeks. Which hormone is responsible for maintaining pregnancy and preventing the uterus from contracting? Correct answer is progesterone. What is the purpose of the amniotic fluid during pregnancy? Correct answer is both nutrient supply and cushioning, waste and protection. Which trimester is characterized by the highest risk of miscarriage? Correct answer is first trimester. What is the purpose of the umbilical cord in pregnancy? Correct answer is both nutrient supply and oxygen and remove waste. What stage does the fetal heartbeat become audible using a Doppler ultrasound device? Correct answer is 8 weeks. During which prenatal test is a small sample of the amniotic fluid collected for genetic testing? Correct answer is chorionic villus sampling, CVS. When does the colostrum, the first milk produced by a mother, become available? Correct answer is immediately after birth. In what part of the female reproductive system does fertilization typically occur? Correct answer is fallopian tube. What is the term for a fertilized egg as it travels through the fallopian tube to the uterus? Correct answer is zygote. Which major organ system begins to form during the first trimester? Correct answer is nervous system. Which of the following the common gastrointestinal symptom during the first trimester? Correct answer is constipation. The ideal weight gain during pregnancy is correct answer is 10 to 15 kilograms. The hormone responsible for milk production is correct answer is prolactin. The term used for a baby born before 37 weeks of pregnancy is Correct answer is premature. average volume of amniotic fluid at full term is? Correct answer is 800 ml. Which vitamin prevents neural tube defects in pregnancy? Correct answer is folic acid. The most common position of the fetus for delivery is? Correct answer is supine. Thank you for watching this video. For video like this, subscribe the G Knowledge Box